Stop. Stop. Yeah. So can you see that right in front of us? That's where we're going, okay? So we want to hit just in between. There's a couple of rocks here, so I'm going to just guide us through. Slowly forward and stop when I say stop, okay? Bit more. Stop. It's alright, we're not. Forward. That's it. And back paddle. Alright, she's doing it that way, that's fine. Forward. She's done it. First. We'll go down first, Meg, and then you. Okay, forward paddle, Larry. Let her drift. So you're just drifting to where we want to be. And forward. Stop. No, that I don't think that chute will run actually. I can't hear you. Carry it. We'll carry it. Get right. Oop. Forward paddle. Keep going forward. Go on, forward, forward, forward. Sorry, Mag.
Yeah, but you don't go any more.